And it's a scam, I think, for people around.
And we couldn't even get a glimpse of him for once. It was just those ministers, whoever were there.
देख लीजिए 10,000 रुपया का टिकट है 12,000 रुपया का एक शक्ल नहीं देख पाया उनका हम लोग
I had been in Messi's position, I would have done the same, seeing the utter chaos.
एकदम घटिया इवेंट 10 मिनट के लिए आया, सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, ना एक किक आउट करवाया ना एक पेनल्टी लिया.
India will remain the same. It's like this chore and all.
We are very disappointed because हम अपने it's a weekend right for the children and we came my child was so excited कि हम मेसी को देखेंगे पर हम मेसी को नहीं देखे. It was full disappointment, and it's a scam, I think, for people around. Shouldn't be doing. And Messi जब वो ground में आए तो everybody surrounded him, so there was no space that हम देखे मेसी को.
Paying that hefty amount of money is just that they had 50 people around him who were going around him, and we couldn't even get a glimpse of him for once. It was just those ministers, whoever were there, and he just waved a couple of times and that's it.
It was really disappointing. We came all the way from Darjeeling just for this. We paid like 12,000 and the people around them, like Messi, we couldn't even see him properly. That was like the most disappointing thing I have ever witnessed. India will remain the same. It's like this chore and all.
We have given so much money for this event, and the most important thing is that Messi has come for this event, and what message we have given to the Messi, this government, this like sports minister. I am seeing the sports minister is clicking selfie with Messi, and everyone is trying to manage the people, but for these people the engagement is happening into the ground. And what message you have given to the Messi, what message he has been taken to from the India. This is the main thing from the Calcutta. Nothing has been happened. Shah Rukh Khan hasn't came. I don't know about Shah Rukh Khan as the chief minister. These are all dignitaries, but it's very shameful for the absolute event management, and I would say the government as well.
Actually, if I had been in Messi's position, I would have done the same, seeing the utter chaos. The management, the authorities, absolutely rubbish. All of the people that you see here, we all love football. Genuinely, we wanted to see Messi a glimpse, but it was a total scam. We want our money back, to be honest. And Mr. Shatadru Datta, who's the main person behind this event, he did a good job, but unfortunately the management was so bad. It is a black day for Kolkata. Kolkata is known for football, and we love football, we love Argentina, but this experience is absolutely a scam. The people, if the ministers was there with their sons, daughter, everybody. The other people we could not see one. You can see, everyone is saying the same thing. This is absolutely not done. We are very hurt.
एकदम घटिया इवेंट 10 मिनट के लिए आया, सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, ना एक किक आउट करवाया ना एक पेनल्टी लिया, कुछ नहीं किया. शाहरुख खान को भी लाना का बोला था, कुछ नहीं लाया, 10 मिनट के लिए आया, चला गया, पूरा फ्रॉड करके चला गया. इतना लोगों का पैसा, इमोशन, टाइम सब बर्बाद, कुछ नहीं देख पाए.
नहीं किया जा रहा है मेसी को, क्योंकि इतना भीड़ है उसके आसपास में. हम लोग सोचे थे कि एक बार बॉल टच करेगा या फिर कुछ फ्री किक भी होगा या फिर पेनल्टी भी शूट आउट होगा, दोनों तरफ कुछ नहीं, बस आया, देखा और चला गया. हम लोग स्पॉट ही नहीं कर पाए सही से, 10 मिनट भी नहीं था सही से. बाहर सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब अंदर से हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख पा रहे. ये एक फ्रॉड के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कह सकते हम लोग.
क्या होगा 500 आदमी घेर के रखा मेसी को, सब नेता अभिनेता लोग. हम लोग को क्यों बुलाया? ये देखिए टिकट 10 आदमी लोग, क्या करने आएंगे हम लोग? पब्लिक मतलब बेवकूफ है बंगाल में. देख लीजिए 10,000 रुपया का टिकट है 12,000 रुपया का एक शक्ल नहीं देख पाया उनका हम लोग. सब नेता लोग घोर के रखा है उसको पूरा एकदम.